Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the ASUS VivoBook S15 S533 and what's inside of it. So, there are 10 Torx head screws preventing you from removing the bottom panel. After you unscrew them, work your way around the panel with a plastic pry tool or a guitar pick. Now, let's take a look at the cooling solution. Here, we see a single but pretty fat heat pipe. It cools both the CPU and the GPU and ends up at a beefy heatsink. Sadly, all of the memory here is soldered to the motherboard. You can get the device with either 8GB or 16GB of RAM, and there are no options for upgrades. However, things sit differently in the storage department. The VivoBook S15 has two M.2 PCIe slots. Battery-wise, there is a 50 Wh videos of the latest notebooks. We would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.